I'm here with Mitch on the Jovix booth. Mitch, I saw that you guys have RFID solutions. Now, in my past career, I've been working with RFID some years back. Where's RFID being used in the energy industry these days?
Sure. So initially RFID was used for active RFID.
Yeah.
This has been used over the last 6 years in oil and gas, nuclear projects, transmission power lines. The problem with active RFID is the cost.
Okay.
So the way that the industry has been going is towards passive RFID. So customers like Fluor and Bechtel and ExxonMobil using passive RFIDs like this that range from 50 cents to $2.50 and utilizing this technology track material from fabricators all the way through the supply chain into the installation process.
Okay, so instead of having the active tag, I can have a cheap and cheerful passive tag.
That's correct.
Now, if I want to read one of these passive tags, what kind of technology do I need?
Yeah, so with a passive RFID tag, you use a handheld like a mobile reader like this, as well as a gate reader, which is a choke point reader that allows entry and exit into a job site.
So if I'm driving in the gate, it reads everything off the truck
coming through it, as well as drone technology.
Okay.
So we use drones to fly around the job site, and any material that's in a laydown or in a workface, the drone will fly over top of it, update the location of it. The cool thing about a drone that's different than one of our vehicle mount readers that drives around and updates location is the drone actually reads elevation, so heights.
So you get the
different heights.
The floor that the asset is on, as opposed to they're all in a...
Is it 20 meters, 10 meters, 5 meters, wherever it may be on a three-story mod, for instance.
And within what range do I need to be able to read a passive tag?
Anywhere from 1 to 4 meters.
Okay, so hence...
A good distance.
I don't have to be standing over with like a barcode scanner.
No, exactly. And then outside of that distance, GPS brings you in. So all of our cell phones or tablets we use in the field utilize GPS technology to bring you within that 20-meter range. And then within that 20-meter range or 15-meter range, the RFID tags pick it up and give you an audible alert. So as you get closer to that material, it starts going beep, 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 beep when you're right on top of it. For instance, like snow. When you're buried underneath snow, you want to have that audible to find it.
Because I can't see the thing on the ground.
Exactly.
Okay. So if I'm an energy company and I'm looking to chat to Jovix, what do you guys provide?
Yeah, so we're a software-based company.
Right.
And with the software, we provide the services to come in and we deploy Jovix in the field, as well as provide hardware. So we're hardware agnostic, meaning we don't have any hardware that we develop.
The readers or the tablets or whatever.
Exactly. We want to find the newest and best hardware that's out in the marketplace. So right now we're utilizing Panasonic ToughPads, but in 6 months there might be a better, stronger tablet out there.
Whatever.
So we want to be hardware agnostic to provide the best hardware solution for our customers.
And I understand you host a lot of your back-end software in the cloud?
Correct. It's all cloud-based, and then we bolt onto any existing ERP systems like SAP, Oracle's P6, Smart Plant Material, and we basically turn those systems into digital material management softwares out in the field.
Cool. Hey, good stuff. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Thank you.